This 2024 Nexus Rebel 35R is a Super CRV. It is located in Dover, FL 33527 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Nexus is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, Slideout, and 85 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Super C features bunk over cab, rear bedroom. This 2024 Nexus Rebel 35R is built on a Chevy Silverado 6500 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.